Hello guys, so if you're looking to create prompts for Midjourney from ChatGPT, so if that's the case, you're come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply copy the prompt that is given to you in the description box below. So it is this one. So it's a basic quick prompt that you can use to get started with ChatGPT. Now, after getting the prompt, just simply go to your ChatGPT and paste it right over here, and that will train ChatGPT what to do. Now, all you have to do is just simply describe whatever you want to get from Midjourney. Like, for example, I want a dragon, which is going to be a friendly dragon sitting on a cliff watching over a castle. So I'm going to just simply type that quickly. So as you can see, I wrote the entire prompt. Now, all you have to do is simply hit enter. Now wait for it to generate the prompt. Now, as you can see, it gave us a pretty good prompt. Now, all you have to do is just simply copy this from here and paste it in Midjourney. So as you can see, it took camera type, zoom type, time of day and everything. Now all you have to do is just simply go to Midjourney / imagine and enter that entire prompt and hit enter. Now just simply wait for it to generate the image. Now as you can see over here, it gave us a result, but it is not realistic. So what you can do is just simply enable the remix option in Midjourney. So for doing that, click on the chat box / settings, then hit enter. Now over here, just simply enable remix mode. Now all you have to do is just simply click on the redo option over here and just simply add ultra realistic and 4K. So after adding the detail, just simply hit submit and again wait for it to generate the image. So as you can see over here, it gave us a pretty good result now. So if you're still not happy with the result, you can just simply copy the entire prompt again and recreate it from start. Just simply copy that and paste it right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.